Dear friends of the garage, now for the third video in our little video row, and here we have a condenser electrode. As you see, the top part is movable after I pulled the wire out. Now we have something like this. And what I like to do now, I take a piece of wire here and I push it inside, and now trying to connect this wire with the metal part. Maybe you can see it now. The wire is pushing against this big metal part, and this is something that we want to have. So after you have been doing this, you see there is a little piece of copper coming out of the glass, and I want to connect this now to this holder. And you see there is a little metal piece that is already connected with the electrode cable with the metal, and I would like to get the wire that I just inserted. I would like to get this in contact with this wire here. So I'm taking some glue. Yeah. And now we'll push those two parts together and press them against each other. So, and after this, I hope the electrode will work again.